Hello everyone, this is Ramcharan. Now we are going to know about what are the types of machine learning. Exactly, coming to the point. Machine learning is a continuously developing field. Because of this, there are some considerations to keep in mind as you work with machine learning methodologies or analyze the impact of machine learning process. Machine learning is one of the trending available options in the market to improve this generation technical knowledge and reasoning abilities. The club which we have establishes to import the quality of knowledge to students by industry experts who are interested to learn and expand their knowledge in this era. So coming to the agenda of today's topic, we will be covering the following topics. What is machine learning? Types of machine learning, applications of machine learning. Starting off, what is machine learning exactly? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Systems are used to perform difficult tasks in a way to similar how humans solve problems. Machine learning provides computers with the ability to learn without being openly programmed. ML is basically different types of algorithms. The algorithms which are divided into supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement algorithms, which are constructed to take input data and analyze it and regroup it into smaller groups and provide a statistically derived answer. ML is the general term when computer learn from data. There are lots of ways that machine can learn. The data that you feed to ML algorithm can be input-output pairs or just inputs. The algorithms can be grouped into supervised, unsupervised and reinforcement algorithms. Supervised algorithms requires input and output pairs. Unsupervised algorithms requires only input data.
Hi everyone, I am Vice Srinivas. Now we are going to learn what are types of machine learning. Exactly, coming to the point. There are different ways to train machine learning algorithms, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. In ML, there are two types of data, labeled data and unlabeled. Labeled data has both input and output parameters in a completely machine learning pattern, but it requires more human labor to label the data to begin with. Unlabeled data has zero or none of the parameters in machine readable form. This neutralizes the need of human labor but requires more complex solution. There are some type of machine learning algorithms are used in very specific use cases, but three main methods are used today. In machine learning, tasks are generally classified into broad categories. Supervised learning, reliance on algorithm by human input, reduced expenditure on manual review for relevance and coding. Here is how, in general, supervised learning works. You feed it an example input with an associated output. You do the above step many times. Eventually, the algorithm picks up a pattern between input and output. Now you feed it a brand new input and it will predict the output for you. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning holds the advantage to be able to work with unlabeled data. This means no more human labor to make the dataset readable, allowing much larger datasets to be worked on by the program. Here is how, in general, unsupervised learning works. You feed it an example input without any associated output. You do the above step many times. Eventually, the algorithm clusters your input into groups. Now you feed it a brand new input and the algorithm will predict which cluster it belongs to. Reinforcement learning. It allows machine or software agent to learn from behavior based on feedback from the environment. It features an algorithm which improves upon itself and learns from new situations using trial and error method. Favorable outputs are reinforced or encouraged and non-favorable outputs are discouraged or punished. In every iteration of the algorithm, it sends output results to interpreter, which decides whether the outcome is favorable or not. Applications of machine learning. Machine learning solutions are used in circumstances where solution is required to continue improving post-deployment. The dynamic nature of adaptable machine learning solutions is one of the best selling points for its adoption by companies and organizations across verticals. Machine learning recently applied to predict the green behavior of human being. And recently, machine learning technology is also applied to optimize smartphones' performance and thermal behavior based on users' interaction with the phone. Chat boxes. Machine learning algorithms and solutions are so versatile and can be used as a substitute for a medium skilled human labor given the right circumstances. User-based. Machine learning algorithms can also help to improve user experience and customization to online platforms. Facebook, Amazon, Google and Netflix all use recommendation systems to prevent content glut and also provide unique content to individual user based on their likes and dislikes. Facebook uses recommendation engine for its news feed on both Facebook and Instagram, as well as for its advertising services to find new leads. Netflix collects user data and recommends various movies and series based on the preferences of the user. Google uses ML to structure its results and for YouTube's recommendation system. Among many other applications, Amazon uses ML to place relevant products in users' field of view, maximizing conversion rates to recommend relevant product that the user actually wants to buy. Machine learning has been used as a strategy to update the evidence related to systematic review and increase the reviewer burden related to the growth of biomedical literature. Okay, that brings us to the end of this short video. We hope everyone could understand and gain some knowledge from this session. See you guys.